The ACT-300 series receivers include the ACT-311 single-channel receiver, the ACT-312 dual-channel receiver, the ACT-323 dual-channel receiver, and the ACT-343 quad-channel receiver. On the front panel, you'll find the power switch, the LCD display, the set button, the ACT button, the ACT sync area, and the down and up buttons. The ACT-343 and ACT-323 models are also equipped with individual volume control knobs. The rear panel features antenna connectors, a DC power input, XLR balanced outputs, 6.3mm unbalanced outputs, the output level switch, and the output mode switch. The LCD display shows the RF signal meter, antenna indicators, the audio signal meter, group setting, channel setting, frequency display, the panel lock indicator, the interference warning indicator, the squelch meter, transmitter battery meter, and group channel frequency display. Compatible and related products: handheld transmitter and body pack transmitter, external antennas, antenna booster, and antenna divider.